I have a hike planned with a friend. And it's already so hot outside. So we're gonna be sweating. Because I don't think my shoes will make it up there. Hello. Good morning. I am so tired this morning, and I even skipped going to gymnastics because I just could not wake up. But it's getting later and I have a hike planned with a friend, and so I need to start getting ready. I took yesterday to just kind of chill and reset. I've had a lot going on the last week, and I am going on a trip to Florida later this week, and so I just want to make sure that everything is in line before I leave and that I'm prepared. So besides the hike today, I might work a little bit, but mostly just do laundry and get groceries, things like that. My hair is a mess, but that was really fun. We just played frisbee and now we're going to the hike, and it's already so hot outside, so we're gonna be sweating.
There's a deer! Ari is attempting to go to the next level. I am in my Hokas, so I don't think that I will be doing that because I don't think my shoes will make it up there. It's super steep and slippery. But I might get in. We will see.